Related literature and studies. In research, understanding the background and context of a topic is essential, and this is where the section on related literature and studies plays a critical role. This section comprises two main components: related literature and related studies, both of which contribute significantly to the foundation of any research endeavor. Related literature is composed of discussions of facts and principles that pertain to the current study. It draws upon a wide range of sources, including books, encyclopedias, professional journals, magazines, newspapers, and other publications. This literature provides a theoretical backdrop, highlighting existing knowledge, theories, and frameworks that relate to the research topic. By reviewing this literature, researchers can identify what is already known, uncover gaps in knowledge, and understand how their work fits into the larger academic conversation. This understanding is crucial, as it not only validates the importance of the new research, but also ensures that the study is built on a solid foundation of established knowledge. For instance, if a researcher is investigating the effects of online learning on student engagement, they would examine literature on educational theories, previous studies on online education, and statistics related to student performance in traditional versus digital environments. This review would allow them to contextualize their study, making it clear how it adds to the ongoing dialogue about effective teaching methods. On the other hand, related studies refer to inquiries or investigations that are connected to the current research. These can include studies that are published in various forms, such as academic articles, but they may also involve unpublished materials like manuscripts, theses, and dissertations. By analyzing these related studies, researchers can gain insights into methodologies, findings, and conclusions drawn by others who have explored similar questions or topics. This examination helps in refining research questions, identifying effective methods of data collection, and understanding the implications of previous findings. For example, if the researcher studying online learning discovers previous unpublished theses that explored student experiences in virtual classrooms, they can compare these findings with their own. This not only strengthens their understanding of the subject, but also helps them identify unique angles to approach their study. In conclusion, the related literature and studies section is vital for any research project. By thoroughly reviewing existing literature and examining relevant studies, researchers can build a strong foundation for their work, ensuring that it contributes meaningfully to the academic field. This process of literature review not only informs the research design, but also highlights the relevance and significance of the new study, paving the way for further exploration and understanding of the chosen topic. Here are some tips for conducting a literature review, along with explanations of the importance of this process in research. Tips for conducting a literature review. Define your research question. Before diving into the literature, clearly outline your research question or hypothesis. This focus will help you find relevant sources and keep your review organized. Use reliable sources. Look for credible and scholarly sources such as academic journals, books, and reputable websites. Avoid sources that lack authority or are biased. Organize your findings. Take notes and categorize the literature into themes or topics. This organization will make it easier to identify patterns, gaps, and connections among the sources. Summarize key points. For each source, summarize the main arguments, methodologies, and findings. This will help you recall important information later and understand the broader context of your research. Synthesize information. Instead of just listing studies, synthesize the information to highlight relationships between different sources. Discuss how they support or contradict each other. Stay current. Keep an eye on the most recent studies in your area of research. This ensures that your literature review includes the latest findings and discussions. Cite properly. Always give credit to the authors of the studies you reference. Proper citation not only acknowledges their work, but also strengthens your credibility as a researcher. Critically evaluate sources. Analyze the strengths and weaknesses of the studies you review. Consider factors such as sample size, methodology, and potential biases. Discuss gaps in the literature. Identify areas where research is lacking or questions that remain unanswered. Highlighting these gaps can help justify the need for your own study. Seek feedback. Share your literature review with peers or mentors to get feedback. They may provide valuable insights or point out areas that need clarification. Importance of conducting a literature review. Establishes context. A literature review provides the background for your research. It helps situate your study within the existing body of knowledge, showing how it relates to previous work. Identifies gaps. By reviewing what has already been studied, researchers can identify gaps or unanswered questions in the literature. This identification helps justify the need for the new research. Informs research design. Understanding previous methodologies and findings can guide researchers in choosing the most effective approaches for their own studies, including data collection and analysis methods. Prevents duplication. A thorough literature review helps researchers avoid duplicating studies that have already been conducted, ensuring that their work contributes something new to the field. Enhances credibility. A well-researched literature review demonstrates the researcher's knowledge of the topic, enhancing their credibility and authority in the subject matter. Provides insights and ideas. Reviewing related studies can inspire new ideas and approaches for the researcher's own work, leading to innovative methodologies and perspectives. Supports argumentation. A comprehensive literature review provides evidence and support for the researcher's arguments and conclusions, strengthening the overall quality of the research. Encourages critical thinking. Engaging with various sources encourages researchers to think critically about the information, assess the validity of findings, and develop their own informed opinions. Facilitates communication. By summarizing and synthesizing existing knowledge, literature reviews can help communicate complex ideas more clearly to others, including peers, practitioners, and policymakers. Sets the stage for future research. A well-executed literature review not only informs the current study, but also lays the groundwork for future research in the area, guiding other researchers in their inquiries. In summary, conducting a thorough literature review is a crucial step in the research process. It not only enhances the quality and relevance of the study, but also contributes to the broader academic community by advancing knowledge and understanding in a specific field.